Hello guys, what's up? Unboxing tayo. What do we have here is Monkey D. Luffy Romance Dawn. Ito si Luffy nung konti pa lang yung haters niya. Ayan. Natin ng cutter. Ayan, si Luffy nung konti pa lang yung haters niya. So, what do we have here? Yung clamshell, syempre. Meron tayong 6 na alt hands, 2 kabuhok, din yung straw hat natin, syempre. Meron tayo ditong meat and 3 faceplate. Syempre, yung main figure natin. Ayan, try natin. Plastic pa. Sante plastic. So, ayan. Alright. Ayan. SHF Figure Arts Monkey D. Luffy Romance Dawn. Nice.